Welcome back to Techno Trend Zone. If you are a fan of drones, you know DJI is always working on something new. Today we have exciting news. DJI looks ready to seriously shake things up with the brand new Avata 360. This drone is not just a minor update. It combines immersive flying with the magic of 360-degree capture. But that is not even the best part. DJI might finally fix the biggest pain point from previous Avata drones. Every pilot knows the fear of crashing. What happens when the lens gets scratched? It is usually a nightmare, but things are about to change. Quick credit goes to Jasper Ellens via Drone XL. He shared amazing new details about Avata 360 accessories and pricing. One interesting thing he mentioned is a brand new product called a lens kit. DJI plans to sell a special $50 kit. This kit includes 2 replaceable lenses and the tools to swap them. This might sound small, but if you followed the Avata lineup, you know this is a massive change. Let us talk about why this is a huge deal. Think back to the original Avata. Scratching the lens in a crash was not an easy fix. It meant opening the entire camera assembly or sending the drone away for an official repair. You lost days of flying time. Then came the Avata 2. It improved camera quality and flight performance, but the lens situation stayed the same. Damaged lenses meant expensive module repairs. What makes this rumor interesting now is the market DJI is entering. The Avata 360 is stepping into the 360-degree camera space. Here, user-replaceable lenses are becoming standard. Cameras like the Insta360 X5 let you swap out damaged lenses quickly on the go. This rumored lens kit from DJI feels like a page from that playbook. The whole idea is much simpler. Imagine you crash the drone into a tree. Instead of going home sad, you have a quick solution. You simply pull out your kit, unscrew the damaged lens, and replace it right in the field. That approach makes perfect sense. The Avata 360 combines traditional flying with full 360 capture. Pilots will fly close to obstacles and through tight spaces. Crashes are just a normal part of the experience. Replacing the lens quickly saves time and money. But the good news continues. Ellens shared another interesting detail about battery pricing. The Avata 360 battery is expected to cost around €70. This is surprising news. The older Avata 2 battery costs roughly €100. That older battery has a capacity of 31.8 watt-hours. The new Avata 360 battery is rumored to have 38.6 watt-hours. It is larger and holds more power, yet it is significantly cheaper. This is a huge win for consumers. You get more battery capacity while paying less money. It is rare to see this happen. Usually new tech means higher prices. This suggests the Avata 360 will be much cheaper to operate overall. Ellens also mentioned the next official teaser for the Avata 360 is dropping soon. The rumored date is March 12th. DJI clearly has cool things to reveal before the launch. It would not be surprising if that next teaser focuses heavily on this lens replacement system. Imagine a video showing a pilot swapping out a damaged lens in seconds. That would be a brilliant marketing move. It fixes a real problem. In my honest opinion, this drone is shaping up to be an absolute must-have for creators. Combining FPV agility with 360-degree video is incredibly powerful. But adding cheap, user-replaceable lenses and affordable batteries shows DJI is listening to the community. This $50 lens kit is the real star here. It turns a fragile flying camera into a fearless action tool. I think this product will completely dominate the market. If you liked the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon.